Good morning everybody. Today we will study the problems of exercise 1-3 that is based on rational numbers and irrational numbers that we already studied. What is a rational number and what is an irrational number and what is the decimal expansion of a rational number and what is the decimal expansion of an irrational number. Based on that statements, the workout questions are here. First one is, write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. First question, 36 by 100. Exercise 1-3. First question, 36 by 100. Write its decimal form. You know, 36 divided by 100 divided by 100. That is equal to 0.36. Okay. Divided by 100. That is like the numerator, and from the right hand side after 2 digits we have to put the decimal 0.36. Which type of decimal expansion is this one? Is a terminating decimal. Why? Because the remainder becomes 0 and the decimal after a finite steps or decimal after 2 digits, the remainder becomes 0. That is, this is a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Because decimal after 2 digits, the division ends. As a remainder becomes 0. So this is a terminating decimal. Next one, 1 by 11. 1 divided by 11. That is, this is the dividend, this is the divisor. That is, dividend is smaller than the divisor. So in the quotient we have to put one decimal and put 1 0. Again, this dividend is smaller than the divisor. So in the quotient we have to put 1 0. Here also we have to put 1 0. 11 into 9, 99. Again, remainder is okay. Again we have to put 1 0. Again, this is smaller than this divisor. So again we have to put 1 0 here. Before that we have to put 1 0 here. That is 100. 11 into 9, 99. Here the remainder is repeating. And also in the quotient, decimal after 2 digits is repeating. Except not here. That is, this is equal to 0.09, 09, etc. Which type of decimal expansion is this one? You know that? Non-terminating recurring. That is, the division continues, never ends, and the remainder never becomes 0. And in the quotient, the decimal after 2 digits is repeating. This we can write 0.09 bar. The bar above the block of digits that repeats. Okay. So 0.0. This is a which type of decimal expansion? Yes, non-terminating recurring. It's a non-terminating recurring decimal. That is 1 by 11. We get a 0.09, 09, 09, etc. Okay. That is 1 by 11 is a rational number. Its decimal expansion we get a non-terminating, non-recurring. Sorry, non-terminating recurring. Here the decimal expansion we get a, this is a terminating decimal. This way we can find out the decimal expansion of the given numbers. Remaining there are 4 problems are there. That you have to do it as homework and write in the back side of your notebook. And answer, then notebook checking time and check the homework. Okay. That is first question and second question I already solved. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 questions are there. Okay. that you will do it. So you know the division, divide and find out the decimal. Then you are writing which type of decimal expansion is. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 problems are common. Next, second question. You know that 1 by 7 is equal to 1 by 7 is a rational number. And its decimal expansion is given. That is 0.14288. Question is, you know that 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. Therefore, its decimal expansion is non-terminating recurring. How many digits are recurring here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Okay, after 5 digits again repeat this block of digits. It is non-terminating recurring. That is given. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of? You have to predict, not need to find out. You have to write the decimal expansion 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, etc. up to 6 by 7. Or without actually doing the long division. If so, how? 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 2 divided by 7. No need to write the long division method. Another method you can find out what is the value of 2 by 3, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, etc. Okay, that is 1 by 7 is given. Then what is 2 by 7? 2 by 7 we can write as 2 into 1. Okay, 2 by 7 is equal to 2 into 1 by 7. 1 by 7 the value is given. We can ask 2 into 0.14285. Then multiply and get the value of 2 by 7. Okay, that is 14285 into 2. That is 0.285714. Okay, 285714 bar. This is the value of 2 by 7. This way we can find out 3 by 7, 4 by 7. What is 3 by 7? It's equal to 3 into 1 by 7. That's equal to 3 into 0.142857. Okay, this way we can find out that 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 that you have to do it. Okay, I will write and send the answer, but you have to do the homework. 2 by 7 only here we have to work out. 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7. Okay, then 1 by 7 is given, then 2 by 7 is equal to 2 into 1 by 7. 2 into 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. Multiply with it, that is 0.285714 bar. This is the answer of 2 by 7. This way we can find out. Okay. Okay, next question. 5714. Third question. Express the following in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. And that is the non-terminating recurrent decimal is given. We want to convert in the form of P by Q. That is convert in the form of a rational number. Previous class I think we already solved 3 problems. The exercise, the first question is 0.6 bar. 0.6 bar. Question number 3, first one. We can write 0.6 bar expressed in the form P by Q. That is, first we have to x is equal to 0.6 etc. That is equation number 1. Here only one digit is repeating. So we are trying to multiplying both sides by 10. So left hand side we get right hand side 0.66 etc. into 10. So this 10x is equal to, here into 10 means the decimal come after one digit, it becomes 0.666 etc. This is equation number 2. Already we studied in last class. Then given number that was x, multiplying both sides by 10, we get it 10x is equal to 6.666 etc. Then next step, equation 2 minus equation 1, we get left hand side 10x minus the left hand side x is equal to 6.666 etc. minus 0.666. 10x minus x we get left hand side 9x is equal to, here we get 6.666 etc. minus 0.666 etc. we get 0, 0, 0, 6 minus 0 we get 6. So 6. Then x is equal to 6 by 9. Factor by 2 we get 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 2 by 3. This is a rational form of a given non-terminated recurrent decimal 0.6 bar converted in the form of, show that it is a rational number that is equal to 2 by 3. That's the first question in your textbook. Okay. Second one, 0.47 bar. That means we have taken that x is equal to 0.4777 etc. That is equation number 1. Only 7 is repeating. So we have to put the bar above, only the digit is 7. Only one digit is repeating. I am multiplying both sides by 10. Left hand side we get 10 into x. Right hand side is 0.4747 etc. into 10. That is 10x is equal to, here into 10 means decimal after one digit, that's equal to 4.777. So equation 2 minus equation 1, we get 10x minus left hand side x, that is equal to 4.777 etc. minus 0.477 etc. That is we get 4.777 etc. minus 0.4777 etc. 0, 0. Here also 7 and 7, 0. 7 minus 4 we get 3. That is 4.2. That is equal to 10x minus x is equal to 9x is equal to 4.3. That is 9x is equal to 4.3. Then x is equal to 4.3 by 9. Want to convert the decimal, that is decimal after one digit, so multiply the numerator and denominator by 10. 4.3 into 10 by 9 into 10. That is numerator we get 43.0, that is 43 by 90. This way we can convert the given non-terminated vector decimal into a rational number, that is 43 by 90. That is x is equal to 43 by 90. This is the rational form of a given decimal expansion 0.47 bar. Okay. Then one more question is there. That is 0.001. Third question. Third one. X is equal. Sorry. Third question. 0.001 bar. 3 digits are repeated. Decimal after a block of digits, that is 3 digits are repeated. First we have to take let x is equal to, let x is equal to 0.001, 001, 001, etc. That is equation number. Decimal after 3 digits are repeated. So we have to multiply both sides by 1000. Left hand side we get 1000 into x. X equal to right hand side 0.001, 001, etc. into 1000. That is 3 zeros are there. So this decimal here move right hand side after 3 digits. Okay. Here 1000 into x, 1000x is equal to, here this decimal move after 3 digits means we get 1.001, 001, etc. That is equation number. Then equation 2 minus equation 1. We get here left hand side 1000x minus here x is equal to 1.001, 001, etc. minus of 0.001, 001, etc. So we can take a subtraction here 1.001, 001, etc. minus 0.001, 001, etc. So here 0, 0, 0, here we get 1. So 1000x minus x we get 999x is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 1 by 999. This is a rational form of the given decimal expansion 0.001 bar. Okay, this way we can convert the given non-terminating recurring decimal in the form of a rational number. Okay, that is a rational number. The decimal expression of a rational number is either terminating or non-terminating recurring. So we can convert the given decimal expansion in the form of a rational number. So problem 1, homework problem is there. Second one also I already gave the homework problems. Third one, 3 problems I already finished. Then fourth question, you have to try to do it and find out the answer. Next class we will discuss about that problems. Okay, you will find out the answer. Then we will discuss about it. Class teacher and the students will discuss about that problems. Okay, thank you all.